Hey there, does your organization have reserved seat events such as a baseball game or a performing arts theater, and you have multiple dates and times? Well, in this example, I'm going to show you how you can create a season pass. So basically, someone can click the season pass page, see what seats are available, and click them and order your entire season of events with one click. All right, let me show you how it works. Hey, before we begin, please click that subscribe button and that bell notification so every time we release a new video on YouTube, you get an update. All right, let's dive into our demo. So the very first step is to choose any of your reserved seat mode events and choose the option for season passes. And you'll only see this, by the way, on reserved seat events. If you don't have a reserved seat mode event, you're not going to see season passes when you click the details. All right, now I'll click Create a New Season Pass, and I'll give it a sample title. And now I'll put in some teaser text, and now our event description, or our season pass description that talks all about the season pass. Next step, drop in our event image, or our season pass image in this case. So just drop it in like that, and I can crop it if I need to, and I'll click Done. All right, this is the part that's kind of special. We selected one specific event on our first page there. So if the season pass includes events, times that are part of this event, I can go ahead and select them here. Now, if we had multiple times, we could select them all here. Now, since this is an organization that has lots of different events all with one time, I'll have to choose the option here to select another event. Now I'll choose an event. I'll choose its time. Now, if there's multiple times, I could choose any of them that I'd like to. And I'll repeat that step a couple more times. And one last time. Now you might be wondering, why don't I see all my events in this list? Well, if your event has to be reserved seat mode to be in this list, it has to be at the same venue, and it has to have the exact same seating chart. So if it has any of those things off, it's not going to appear on this list. And I'll select this last time right now. Now I'll choose Next. Now I can set my price for the season pass. So I'll set it at $150, and I can set my own custom service fee, or I can click here to do the recommended fee, which would be the square fee plus the SimpleTix fee combined. If there's a tax rate, I can go ahead and set it here. And if I'd like this to automatically be disabled in a future date, so for example, I don't want people buying a season pass after next month, I can go ahead and choose a date here that would stop sales for the season pass. All right, I'll click Save. And now my season pass is created. Let's take a look at our event page. So this is the season pass page. Anyone can go here and buy tickets for all of the different performances. I'll go ahead and choose Buy Season Pass here. And now I see the seating chart. Now, if any of the seats are not available, that's because one of the event times, or many of the event times, have tickets already sold. So only the seats that are available here, in this case pods are available here, are pods or seats that have not been sold for any of the event times that are part of the season pass. Now when I go ahead and select one of the season passes here, or select one of the pods, in your case might be seats, I'll see the season pass on the list, and then I'll click Checkout. Now after the order is complete, I will get all of the individual tickets sent to me via email. So in this case, we had 4 different event times in the season pass. I'm buying 2 season passes, so I'll get a total of 8 tickets sent to me via email when this order is complete. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you've enjoyed it, please click that like button down below. Thanks and have a great day.